to stop hair loss? Here is a secret hair mask, 4 effective tips to control hair fall. For this hair mask, we need aloe vera, onion, cow ghee, lavender oil, coconut oil. Aloe vera is a wonder plant and superfood for your hair. It has all the nutrients that your hair needs. It is extremely useful for hair fall. It keeps hair moisturized and blocks toxins that damage your hair. Take aloe vera leaf and cut the sides of it and make it into small pieces and keep it aside. The most important ingredient for this mask is onion. Onions increase blood circulation and provides nourishment to the hair. Peel the onions, cut into pieces and place in a blender jar. Then place aloe vera pieces and blend well and make a fine paste. Take this paste into a bowl and add half teaspoon of cow ghee, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of castor oil to it and mix them well. Now apply this paste all over the hair with the help of a hairbrush. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse it with a mild shampoo. In order to remove the smell of onion from the hair, take few drops of lavender oil and apply all over your hair. This essential oil nourishes your hair. This hair mask replenishes the hair root. It provides intense nourishment and stops hair fall in one day. It promotes blood circulation. By applying this mask weekly once, you will get super soft, silky, shiny hair. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.